Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing geography, 4th chapter, that is a climate. In that, we are discussed some important subtopics. Today, we are going to discuss about distribution of rainfall. So, distribution of the rainfall, it is totally depend upon the forestry as well as a coastal line. So where the water resources are there, the scientific reason you know already behind of that, the where the water resources are there, it will be the more rain that places will be received, where more greenery it will be there, or the forest areas are there, they will receive the more amount of the rainfall. In our country, the western coast as well as northeastern part of the India, they will receive the rainfall. They will receive the highest rainfall annually, that is 400 centimeters. In in our country, we will having places where the heavy rainfall also it will be present and the scanty rainfall also will be present. In the western part of India, it will be received very less amount of the rainfall, that is the 60 centimeters in the Rajasthan as well as adjoining part of that Gujarat, Haryana and some part of the Punjab, they will receive a less amount of the rainfall, because you know that the desert area, the dry areas are more in those areas. The rainfall equally low and low in the interior of the Deccan plateaus. Here the plateau, we know that the the high hills, the flatlands and the east of the Sahyadris, they will receive the low rainfall. The low precipitation is the around in the Jammu and Kashmir. The rest of the country receives the moderate. The rest of the country it will receives the moderate rainfall, and some areas snowfall it will be happens where it is in the Himalayan region. And owing of owing to the nature of monsoons, the annual rainfall it is the highly variable for to one year to another year. So some year it will be very more amount of the rainfall will receive, and some years we won't get a heavy rainfall only. The less rainfall it will be happens. It is not a fix, it is not accurate we can tell the every year we are receiving the same amount of the rainfall. The when we taking the examples of the 2 years back, the very less amount of the rainfall we are the received, and last year and this year we are the receiving the rainfall, the overflow of the water we can see in state some some states of India. The flood also we can see because of the heavy rainfall. Yes, and variability is the high in the regions and the low rainfall also it will be happened. Such part of the Rajasthan, Gujarat, the leeward side of the Western Ghats and some areas the high rainfalls and they are affected by the flood and the low rainfall, it will be drought, it will be happens. The high amount of the receiving of a rainfall, it is making a natural disaster, that is a flood. Very low rainfall, it will be make a drought. So both it will be affect livestock of a people. When the flood will be happens, the naturally all crops which they are the grown in fertile land, it will be have, it will be destroyed, damaged, and because of that the people's life will be disturbed. And where the low amount of the rainfall, because of the drought, the scarcity of the water, it will be happens, they are unable to grow any kind of the crops, and the content of the water, it will be drops down totally. When they are they are unable to, they are receiving the very less amount of the rainfall. Yes, here they given 4.6 figure, 4.6. Here we can see that the seasonal rainfall, that is June to September, the highest amount, the above the 400, we can see there the coastal line as well as the the western side of our country. See the places, the where in less amounts, 200 to 400, that is also is a coastal lines as well as the the eastern part of the India. We can take a 0 to 20 centimeters of the rainfall. See here in the Gujarat and Rajasthan as well as the Haryana, so Punjab, these areas, the light blue color which they are the shown, they are the receiving the very less amount of the rainfall. And another one here, the annual rainfall also, the annual rainfall in the coastal lines as well as the eastern lines. Here the both side the water resources are there. One side the Bay of the Bengal, and in the forest areas we can get greenery, there we can get a more heavy rainfall. And here the again the annual rainfall, the very less in a Gujarat, Rajasthan, in these areas. For the reference, you can refer NCERT ninth grade textbook of geography. Thank you.